Hey guys and girls, welcome to lesson number 10 of Learn Hindi and Urdu through English lesson series by ifexner.com. In these lessons we are learning to speak in Hindi and Urdu through English. In lesson number 10 we will be talking about relations or relationships. Relations are called rishte. Rishte. It's not rishte, it's rishte. Rishte in Hindi and Urdu. So let's begin our lesson number 10. Relations, rishte. It's not rishe. Sorry about that. It's rishte. Father or dad. Abbu. 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 Baap. 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 Father or dad is called Abbu or Baap in Hindi and Urdu. Mother or mom. Ammi. 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 Ma. Ma. It's not man, it's ma. 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 Mother or mom. Ammi or ma. Sister. Behen. Behen. Bahun no, it's behen. Sister. Behen. Behen. Brother. Bhai. 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 Brother. Bhai. Aunt or auntie, which is maternal aunt or auntie, is called khala. 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 It's not khala, it's khala. Maternal aunt or auntie is called khala. Paternal aunt or auntie is called puppo. 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 Paternal aunt or auntie is called puppo. Maternal uncle is called mamu. 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 Maternal uncle mamu. Paternal uncle chacha. 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 Paternal uncle chacha. Mother-in-law sas. 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 Mother-in-law sas. Daughter-in-law bahu. 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 Daughter-in-law is called bahu in Hindi and Urdu. So now let's practice some sentences. My nephew is very intelligent. मेरा भांजा बहुत ज़हीन है. Mera means my, bhanja is nephew, बहुत very ज़हीन intelligent है is मेरा भांजा बहुत ज़हीन है मेरा भांजा बहुत ज़हीन है मेरा भांजा बहुत ज़हीन है My nephew is very intelligent मेरा भांजा बहुत ज़हीन है My niece is very nice मेरी भांजी बहुत अच्छी है मेरी because now it's for her therefore we use मेरी भांजी is for niece बहुत very अच्छी is nice है is मेरी भांजी बहुत अच्छी है 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 My niece is very nice मेरी भांजी बहुत अच्छी है My mother-in-law and father-in-law are educated. मेरी सास और ससुर पढ़े लिखे is educated हैं means are मेरी सास और ससुर पढ़े लिखे हैं मेरी सास और ससुर पढ़े लिखे हैं मेरी सास और ससुर पढ़े लिखे हैं My mother-in-law and father-in-law are educated. मेरी सास और ससुर पढ़े लिखे हैं My brother-in-law fights a lot. मेरा देवर बहुत लड़ता है मेरा my देवर brother-in-law बहुत a lot लड़ता fights है is मेरा देवर बहुत लड़ता है it's not लड़ता now it's लड़ता head मेरा देवर बहुत लड़ता है मेरा देवर बहुत लड़ता है My brother-in-law fights a lot मेरा देवर बहुत लड़ता है My younger brother plays cricket मेरा छोटा भाई क्रिकेट खेलता है मेरा my छोटा younger भाई brother cricket is cricket खेलता plays है is मेरा छोटा भाई क्रिकेट खेलता है 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 My younger brother plays cricket मेरा छोटा भाई क्रिकेट खेलता है So guys and girls, let's start our practice session. I will speak in English and you translate it into Hindi and Urdu. Relations रिश्ते Very good. Relations रिश्ते Father or dad अब्बू और बाप Very nice. Father or dad अब्बू और बाप Mother or mom अम्मी और माँ Very nice. अम्मी और माँ Mother or mom is अम्मी और माँ Sister बहन Very nice. Sister बहन Brother भाई Nice. भाई Brother is भाई Maternal aunt Khala Nice. Maternal aunt is called Khala in Hindi and Urdu. Paternal aunt Phuppo Phuppo Nice. Paternal aunt is called Phuppo. Maternal uncle Mamu Nice. Mamu. Maternal uncle, Mamu. Paternal uncle, Chacha. Nice. Chacha. Paternal uncle, Chacha. Mother-in-law. Nice. Sas. Daughter-in-law. Very good. Bahu. My nephew is very intelligent. मेरा भांजा बहुत ज़हीन है. मेरा भांजा बहुत ज़हीन है. Very good. My nephew is very intelligent. मेरा भांजा बहुत ज़हीन है. My niece is very nice. मेरी भांजी बहुत अच्छी है. Very good. मेरी भांजी बहुत अच्छी है. My niece is very nice. मेरी भांजी बहुत अच्छी है. My mother-in-law and father-in-law are educated. Nice. मेरी सास और ससुर पढ़े लिखे हैं. It's not पढ़े, it's पढ़े, पढ़े लिखे हैं. मेरी सास और ससुर पढ़े लिखे हैं. My brother-in-law fights a lot. मेरा देवर बहुत लड़ता है. Very good. मेरा देवर बहुत लड़ता है. My brother-in-law fights a lot. मेरा देवर बहुत लड़ता है. My younger brother plays cricket. Nice. मेरा छोटा भाई क्रिकेट खेलता है. मेरा छोटा भाई क्रिकेट खेलता है. My younger brother plays cricket. मेरा छोटा भाई क्रिकेट खेलता है. So guys and girls, thank you very much for joining us for lesson number 10 of Learn Hindi and Urdu through English lesson series by ifactioner.com. If you would like to learn more and read more about these lessons, then please visit ifactioner.com and please subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, take care. Bye bye.